How to copy LinkedIn profile link. If any day any of you are a LinkedIn user and you would like to copy down your LinkedIn profile link so that you can paste it to any of your other sites out there or any of your other social medias or any of the other places where you need the very link of your LinkedIn profile or send it to your friends, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your data connection or your Wi Fi connection. After that, you have to launch the very LinkedIn application on your mobile device. For that, you can manually search it by scrolling left or right, or otherwise, you can search the very LinkedIn on your mobile device by going to the search icon. After you find the LinkedIn, you have to tap on LinkedIn like this. And after you tap on LinkedIn like this, now LinkedIn will be launched on your mobile device. After LinkedIn is launched on your very mobile device, now you have to follow the next other steps. That is, you have to go to your profile like icon on the top side. And after you tap on the profile like icon on the top side, now you can see an interface like this. You have to tap on your profile to go into the option of view the profile. Now here you can see that it will take you to your profile. Now after it takes you to your profile, now what you have to do is you have to go to the three dots here and then you have to go to the option of share profile via. After tapping on the option of the share profile via, now here you can see an interface like this. Now after you see an interface like this is the link of your very LinkedIn. Now here you have to go to the option of copy URL and this way your LinkedIn profile is copied. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.